How pervasive is robotic process automation, or RPA, in today's banking industry? In recent years, RPA has become a significant player in the banking industry. This trend is driven by the potential for cost reduction, improved operational efficiency, and enhanced customer satisfaction. By automating repetitive, rules-based tasks, banks are freeing up their employees to focus on more complex, higher-value activities. The growth of RPA in banking is substantial, with projections suggesting that it will reach a staggering $1.12 billion by 2025. But it doesn't stop at just automating routine tasks. When combined with artificial intelligence, or AI, RPA can also be used for complex decision-making processes. This includes critical areas like fraud detection and anti-money laundering, bringing a new level of sophistication to these essential banking functions. As we can see, RPA is transforming the banking industry, but what does the implementation process look like? Take a look at this case study of a successful RPA implementation in a bank. It all started with setting up a Center of Excellence, or COE, for RPA. This journey required meticulous planning, stakeholder buy-in, and the identification of the most suitable automation use cases. First off, the bank defined its RPA governance. The COE created standards, regulations, and procedures for RPA processes. It put in place security controls for the automation system to ensure that the bots operated within the preset regulatory parameters. It also set up mechanisms for conducting a complete audit and supervision based on the logs that bots use to record their activity. Next, the bank considered the organization. The RPA program was supported by roles and duties determined by the COE. The COE ensured proper integration of RPA into the overall organization structure and covered the training of new resources and change management. Then came technology and support. The RPA COE was responsible for selecting suitable automation tools for the necessary activities and managing their upkeep. The COE served as the operating environment's architect, facilitating RPA integration into crucial domains like configuration management databases and IT service management. The bank also needed to evaluate automation opportunities for efficient and effective implementation of the RPA COE. This process component ran, monitored, and modified the whole life cycle across the bank, essentially acting as the RPA's home. Finally, there was the operation. The bank examined how the RPA affected human jobs, from altered job descriptions to general operational change administration. It monitored the RPA and offered assistance as needed, while taking into account changes in organizational structure. This journey was not without its challenges, but with a strategic approach, the bank was able to overcome them and realize the benefits of RPA. It saw cost reduction, improved operational efficiency, and enhanced customer satisfaction. This case study serves as a testament to the transformative power of RPA when implemented strategically. So, what have we learned about RPA adoption in the banking industry? Well, first and foremost, we've seen that the adoption of robotic process automation, or RPA, is rapidly accelerating within the banking sector. This surge is driven by the potential for cost reduction, improved operational efficiency, and enhanced customer satisfaction. By automating repetitive, rules-based tasks, banks are freeing up their employees to focus on higher-value activities. We've also learned that the implementation of RPA is a journey, one that requires careful planning, stakeholder buy-in, and the identification of the most suitable automation use cases. Setting up a Center of Excellence for RPA is a critical part of this journey, providing the necessary governance, organization, technology, and support to ensure successful implementation. Lastly, we've highlighted the importance of adopting a strategic phased approach to RPA implementation, focusing on processes that offer the highest potential for automation and immediate returns. In conclusion, RPA is not just the future of banking, it's the present. And with careful planning and execution, it can unlock significant benefits for banks.